It's a pleasure to welcome all of you. I am Megh Mehta.
And I am Dhyan Mehta.
We are the students of Hiramani School from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
When we personally met to the farmers for the problems which were they facing, they said that animals usually come at night time like nilgai, wild pigs, etc. and destroy the grieve crops. When there is cloudy atmosphere, suddenly crops fall sick and started to suffering from diseases. On the crops, there are many insects which are poisonous and can harm to the crops. There is a problem of a dirty water. Farmer could not sprinkle pure water because they have salty water. Now Meg will tell you about principle of this project.
Our principle is based on economy, as the small scale farmers are becoming poor and large scale farmers are becoming rich. As they are rich, they can buy insecticides, pesticides, and good quality of seeds. So we have decided to make this project for the small scale farmers to get directly benefit to them. It will include 4 robots, 4 pole, and 1 drone, which will take care of the crops and fields. Farmer can earn more benefit by using digital farming, as it will reduce the time of the farmer to work in field.
Finally, I would like to start the explanation part of this presentation. In this project, there will be 4 poles, 1 drone and 4 robots. Pole will help the drone to create a graphical map. It will decide the boundary of drone and robots to work in farm. On top side of the pole, there will be a signal generator which will create different sound of different frequencies which will prevent animals to come in farm. That's all about pole.
Now I will discuss you about drone. Drone can scan the animals and the snakes in the farm with the help of the scanners. Drone can work automatically through pre-reset features and time settings, as well as drone can be operated through mobile phones. Drone can charge itself with solar panel, or we can charge it through electricity. Drone can power the magnetic water, and it has the capacity to carry 10 liters of water. Drone will create a 3D map with the help of the photogrammetry software. Drone will coordinate the points to the robot to work in farm. Okay, I have explained how drone can help the farmers.
Now I am going to talk about robot. Drone will send graphical map to each robot and thereafter it will move accordingly to assigned area. Robots can also pour magnetic water, as magnetic water has an uptake of potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus and iron. Robots can charge itself through solar panel, or we can charge it through electricity. Robot can work automatically through preset features and time settings, as well as it can be operated with mobile phones. On the robots, there will be a scanner which will scan the plant's health. That completes our explanation part. We are grateful of our principal ma'am, Vinod sir, Ravi sir and all the teachers. We got lots of support from our parents, and my maternal uncle Bharat Vyas also help us in giving information related to agriculture.
I would just like to finish it with the famous word: all our dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. By Walt Disney.
So once again, thanks to all of you.